founded in 1992. It's a professional manufacturer and exporter of polyester woven flat webbing sling, round sling, recharge straps, towing straps, net cargo, slack lines in China for 31 years. Now we're at our office building. This is our raw material room workshop. The machine for casting polyester sling.
This is our Long Intelligent Workshop. We have 120 of these webbing machines in total. Here is our long sling workshop.
Visiting our testing center. These are our main products. Polyester woven flat webbing sling, towing straps, red cheese straps. These are some of our patents and certificates.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.